Hi guys, in this video, I'll be showing or explaining to you how to get or unlock the bandit. Well, as you can see in the world journey, once you reach higher worlds inside the game, the bandit is not available in any world. I will show it to you. And we are now going to the end of this world journey. And as you can see, the bandit is not available. So in order for you to unlock it, you just need to wait for the event or the limited time event where you need to get 100 gems in a single game 25 times. This event already happened when the first releasing of Bandit was done. So you can earn her for free using this event, and basically that's it. That's how you can unlock or get the Bandit in Squad Busters, and thank you for listening.